Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Samreen, your science teacher. Students, our heart has four chambers. Heart is a muscular organ and it consists of four chambers. That is right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Heart receives deoxygenated blood from all part of the body and collect it into right atrium, right? From superior vena cava, it receives the blood from upper part of the body, that is head, mouth and upper portion, right? And from the inferior vena cava, it receives deoxygenated blood from the lower part of our body, that is the legs, limbs, etc. After receiving deoxygenated blood, it collects blood into right atrium and then sent into right ventricle. So right atrium and right ventricle, they both contains deoxygenated blood. Atrium collects the blood from body to heart. Heart sends the deoxygenated blood from right atrium to right ventricle. From right ventricle, this deoxygenated blood goes into lungs through pulmonary artery. So pulmonary artery send deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. In the lungs, exchange of gases takes place. Blood release carbon dioxide and absorb oxygen and becomes oxygenated. This oxygenated blood again goes into heart from pulmonary vein and collect into left atrium. So left atrium collects blood from lungs through pulmonary vein. From left atrium, oxygenated blood goes into left ventricle, and from left ventricle, this oxygenated blood pumps to all parts of the body. It is septum. It separates the right portion of the heart from left portion. The function of vein is to collect the blood from all parts of the body and send it to the heart. All the veins receive deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein send oxygenated blood from lungs to heart, and arteries pump blood from heart to all parts of the body. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, because pulmonary artery send deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.